Erin, and I'm with Smashbox Cosmetics. As you can see, our model here has perfect skin. Smashbox believes that beautiful makeup starts with beautiful skin. So we've started off her makeup with a Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This makes sure that your makeup will stay on all day long throughout your big day. Then we use the Camera Ready Photo Finish Foundation. I applied this with a number 19 brush, buffed it into the skin, and this gives a flawless, translucent look like you've been airbrushed. For the concealer, we used our high definition concealer under the eyes to perfect any imperfections, and the Photo Op to brighten up under the eyes. And of course, we used our halo powder. We dusted it all over her face to give her that warm, beautiful, glowing look. We filled in her brows with a little bit of the Brow Tech to frame the face and open up the eyes.